What's up everyone, I'm Manoj Bash, and today in this video I'm going to break down what $25 million in ad spend has taught me about crafting irresistible offers, creating high converting creatives, nailing your ad copywriting, structuring your ad account the right way, and how to scale your Facebook ads like a pro. I have generated over $100 million in clients revenue with the same strategies. Whether you're an e-commerce owner or a media buyer, these insights gonna save you a lot of time, money, and countless headaches. First up, offers. You can have the best ads in the world, but if your offer doesn't resonate with your target audience, then you're literally wasting the money on Meta. Here's what $25 million in ad spend has taught me about getting the offers right. Number one, understand your customer's pain point. Your offer must address the real problem of your customers. While crafting offer, you need to dive deep into what your audience wants and needs. Number two, value stacking. Don't just sell the product, okay? Sell the experience, outcome. For example, instead of selling just a t-shirt, offer the bundle with matching accessories at a discounted rate. This will increase the perceived value as well as your AOV. Number three, scarcity and urgency. Limited time offers, countdown timers, low stock alerts work wonders. You know, people hate missing out, and you can leverage FOMO, fear of missing out, to the full potential to boost your conversions as well. You can incorporate urgency and scarcity in your regular offers as well. For example, get 10% off and offer valid for 24 hours only, or buy two items, get 10% off for the next 72 hours, or buy one get one 50% off for the first 50 customers. This is how you can incorporate scarcity or urgency in your regular offers as well. Guys, remember this, the great offer is always powerful than any copywriting or ad strategy. Next, let's talk about creatives. Your ads need to grab attention, connect emotionally, and drive actions all within the seconds. Number one, test everything. The winning creative might be the one you least expect. So I highly recommend you guys to test different formats like single image, carousels, videos, story ads, even like memes, you know. Number two, hook your audience. If it's video, the first 3 seconds are critical, and start with a great hook that immediately grab attention, whether it's a bold text like visually appealing like pop-up or something like that, you know, basically something that grabs attention of your target audience. Number three, consistency is the key. Of course, it's very important to stay consistent with the brand tone, your style of the brand, and you have your own brand identity, discipline, of course, but don't be afraid to experiment new things within the boundaries. The goal should be to stand out while maintaining the brand identity. Creatives are actually where your strategy come to life, so you can't sleep on this, of course. Next, let's move into copywriting. You have good offers and creatives, but ad copies are what it ties all together. The right words can make your audience stop scrolling and start clicking on your ad. Number one, speak their language. Always use the words, the tone of voice your audience uses. If you're selling fashion, talk about the trends, style, and how your products make them feel. The closer your copy resonates with the audience, the more effective it will be. Number two, clarity over cleverness. Avoid overly complicated words and industry jargons. Simple, direct copy works the best. So always make it clear what you're offering, why it's valuable, and what action you want your customers to take. Number three, emphasize benefits, not just features. Always focus on how your product improves customers' life than just what it does. So instead of just saying our jackets are waterproof, you can say like this: stay dry and comfortable no matter the weather. Number four, urgency in the copy. Just like your offers, your copy should create urgency. Keywords like limited stock, offer ends soon, only few left help a lot to drive faster conversions. Remember this, the great copy is always clear, concise, and customer focused. Now moving into ad account structures. This is the backbone of your campaigns, and getting it right can save you a ton of stress and money. Number one, campaign naming conventions. Use clear and consistent naming conventions on your campaigns, ad set and ad label. This helps keep everything organized, and especially when you are managing multiple campaigns. For example, if you are giving the name to the ad campaigns, you can structure like this. Okay, first of all, write about Facebook ads funnel. Like let's say like is it top of funnel, middle of funnel, or bottom of funnel. If it's top of funnel campaign, then like write TOF at first, and after that write objective. Okay, like whether it is traffic campaign, it's sales campaign, it is app install campaign, is it engagement campaign. So based on the objectives, you can write objectives. If it's sales, then just continue with TOF dash sales and write the full date, so that even if you want to see that campaign after like 5 years or 10 years down the line to analyze like previous metrics, then it will be way easier and it will save you a lot of time at that time. So like it's very important. Number 2, segmentation. Always separate your campaigns like based on the objective and Facebook ads funnel. Like let's say if you have the objective of getting engagement, then like you need to create separate campaigns for engagement. For example, if you have the objective of getting more engagements on your post or like ad, then create separate campaigns for engagement campaigns. Like create another separate campaigns for sales, another for traffic, another for app install. Is how you can structure your ad campaigns. That is one way. And other way is also separate or segment the campaigns based on like whether it is top of funnel or middle of funnel or bottom of funnel. That's how you can structure the audience as well. Number 3, simplify where possible. Don't overcomplicate your ad account structure. So after you segment your campaigns based on the Facebook ads funnel and objectives, for example, if you're running one like sales campaign and like targeting TOF, what you can do is like in TOF, while choosing the targeting, like you can do broad targeting as well. So in broad targeting, what you do is like you let Meta algorithm do the heavy lifting of the ads, like showcasing the ads to the right people. Like Meta algorithm will do that. That's one way of testing. And what other audience you can target in top of funnel is like target interest-based audience. Like you can stack similar interest in one ad set. Okay, that's how you can structure the targeting as well. Another would be lookalikes in top of funnel. So like lookalikes of like all the custom audience, lookalikes of the email list, whatever you have. So that's how you can structure your top of funnel campaigns. Just making it everything simple and organized will help you save a lot of time and money. A well-structured ad account is like a well-oiled machine. Like everything runs smoothly and we can scale that faster. Also, I have revealed my $100 million ad account structure in this video in the I button, or you can also find the link to the video in the description as well. So make sure to check it out. Finally, let's talk about scaling. This is where the magic happens, and it's also where many advertisers trip over. Number 1, gradual budget increases. Don't double or scale your ad budget overnight. Gradually increase the budget by 20% every 48 hours if your ads are performing well and validated for scaling. This prevents the algorithm from resetting and maintains stability as well. Number 2, audience expansion. Once you have the winning ad, start expanding your audience. What you can do is like, let's say in top of funnel, if broad targeting is working well, then expand your audience using that winning ads with basically using interest-based audience or targeting lookalike audience using the same winning ads. That's how you can scale. If you're targeting cold audience like in top of funnel campaigns, make sure you have at least 10 million audience size. Otherwise, your ads won't perform. Even like if it's performed, it won't last long. Number 3, horizontal scaling. Instead of just increasing budget in the ad set or like campaign level, duplicate the best performing campaigns or ad sets and scale that way. You can scale horizontally in many ways. Okay, like let's say one is like just simple, you duplicate the best performing ad set or campaign and like just put whatever budget you want, then like you scale like that. That's one thing. You bring in one winning element and scale with other verticals. Okay, for example, if you have winning offers, you scale that using like new creatives or to the new targeting. That's how it works. Basically, like horizontal scaling allows you to scale. Scaling is all about maintaining control while increasing the volume. It's a delicate balance, I would say. Like if you get it right, it's totally rewarding. So there you have it, $25 million in Facebook ads boiled down to 5 key lessons: offers, creatives, ad copywriting, ad account structure, and scaling. These insights didn't come cheap, but you can take them, apply it to your own business or like in your client's business and make money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.